Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check in on WestJet Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a WestJet account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the flights, we have the vacation, and we have your offers, and you can also go and manage your book a flight, where you can go and see it here. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in on WestJet Airlines. So firstly, the question is, does WestJet allow online check-in? Online check-in is available for all Canadian and US departures. Some international airports may not be available for online check-in. Note, WestJet contact center agents are not able to check in guests over the phone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, all of these things really helps us grow our channel. So if of course you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you on the next video on this YouTube channel. Until next time, bye guys.